everyone. This is the unboxing and setting up video for Microlit's Beatus Bottle Top Dispenser. Microlit Beatus Bottle Top Dispenser comes with the following accessories: Product Operation Manual for ease of use, Calibration Report or Certificate, 5 bottle adapters, 28mm, 32mm, 38mm, 40mm, and 45mm that comfortably fit most laboratory reagent bottles. Telescopic inlet tube that can be adjusted in length according to a variety of bottle sizes. Calibration tool to calibrate the dispenser when needed. Please ensure all the components are present upon opening a new dispenser. Microlit Beatus Bottle Top Dispenser is quite easy to assemble. Firstly, take the dispenser out of the box. Then, remove the telescopic inlet tube and connect it to the dispenser. Adjust the length of the telescopic inlet tube according to the depth of the bottle. Note, if you need a longer tube, it can be sent on request. Out of the 5 available adapters, choose the appropriate adapter and screw it on the bottle to be used. Screw the dispenser onto the bottle. Turn the recirculation knob to recirculation mode for purging or removing the air from the dispenser. Run the dispenser a few times till the barrel is bubble-free. Set the volume as desired. Turn the knob to the dispensing mode. Run the dispenser to ensure bubble-free dispensing. The dispenser is now ready for use. Make sure you wear protective gloves and gears while handling of acids to avoid accidents. Now you can experience precision in your lab. For any query, demo, installation, email us at info@microlit.com or visit our website www.microlit.com.